Hi everyone, Google Chrome is getting a new feature that reminds of the Collections feature of Microsoft Edge. Simply called Read Later, it allows saving tabs to a special area which can be opened with a new button. In this video, you learn the steps to enable the Read Later feature in Google Chrome. Use these steps. First, open Chrome and type the following in the address bar. Next, select Enabled from the drop-down menu at the right of the Read Later option. And restart the browser once prompted. Once enabled, a new option will be added to the Chrome tab right-click menu. Once selected, this option closes the tab and adds the tab link to a bookmarks folders called Reading List. If the Chrome bookmarks bar is activated, this folder can be accessed via a button on the bookmarks bar's right side, named Reading List. Once pressed, a drop-down list shows all the tabs that have been set aside, along with the tabs that have already been read. If you're watching my video for the first time, please make sure to grab the subscribe button to get the thumbs up and turn on your notifications, so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.